In the annals of history, echoes of a legendary siege reverberate. The Siege of Constantinople, led by the audacious Sultan Mahmud Fatah, a siege that would reiterate the innovative prowess of human mind in face of seemingly insurmountable challenges. Constantinople, a city so resplendent, sheltered by formidable walls thought to be impervious to any assault. Yet the gaze of the Sultan saw not an obstacle, but a challenge to be conquered. Fatah, true to his name, was destined for greatness. He brought forth cranium-cracking cannons and technologically advanced artillery, blasting through century-old defenses like a hot knife through butter. It was not just the might, but deceptive mind games that lured cities' defenders into a labyrinth of defeat. Underneath the blinding smoke and fiendish roars of cannons, secret tunnels dug their way past the mighty walls. Like a snake subtly striking its prey, the city was seized from within. This heart-stopping tale